In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a clothing business using Shein. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or someone looking to dive into the world of retail, this guide will walk you through the essential steps you need to get started. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for fashion into a business, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the Shein website. This is your starting point, not just to understand the brand and its aesthetic, but also to become familiar with the platform you'll be using to launch your business. Take a moment to peruse the site, note down what catches your eye, and think about what might resonate with your potential customers. Next, we'll address an important aspect: how to actually sell on Shein. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. Type "Sell on Shein Marketplace" into the search bar. Doing this will give you a list of useful links and resources related to selling on Shein. It's crucial because you need to ensure you're accessing the official and most up-to-date seller information. After you've familiarized yourself with the search results, the next step is to take a more active role. Look for the link to join Shein's marketplace, which should be prominently featured. Click on that link and it will take you directly to the seller registration page. Now, this is your entrance into the world of fashion retailing through Shein. On the seller portal, look for the Join Marketplace button. This button, simple yet significant, is your gateway to starting your online business. Clicking on it will prompt you to create an account. This part of the process is where you start to establish your presence on Shein's platform. Once you're on the sign-up page, it's time to fill in your details. This is where you provide information about yourself and your business. Be sure to complete all the necessary fields accurately. These details are critical as they define your business identity on Shein. Remember, authenticity and transparency are key. At this stage, take a moment to reflect on your brand's identity. Think about what makes it unique and how you can convey this uniqueness through your offerings in your own brand narrative. Consider sketching a few designs or having them professionally made. It's important to present a cohesive and captivating brand to your audience. To wrap up today's guide, I want to emphasize that braving the world of a fashion startup, especially using a platform like Shein, is a bold yet rewarding endeavor. By following these steps, you're well on your path to becoming a successful entrepreneur in the online clothing market. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay passionate, creative, and remember that fashion is not just about clothing. It's about creating an experience. Good luck.